Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best solar generators to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Goal Zero Yeti Solar Generator. Need to power your laptop, phone, power drill, coffee maker, and refrigerator all at once? The Goal Zero Yeti is a high-capacity power station that supplies electricity with the touch of a button or the Yeti app. Weighing in at 43 pounds, it's a solar option for those living the van life. The lithium battery supplies 1500 watt-hours, so you can charge your phone 100 times or run a refrigerator for up to a day. Its industry-leading 2000-watt AC inverter is one of the most powerful on the market. The integrated MPPT charge controller increases efficiency by 30% when recharged with a compatible Goal Zero solar panel. Everything is backed by a 2-year warranty. Features: backup power supply, power anything, anywhere, 2-year manufacturer warranty. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Jackery Portable Outdoor Solar Generator. Weighing in at a relatively light 13 pounds, the compact, durable, and affordable Jackery Explorer lets you take solar-powered electricity along on every adventure. The 500-watt inverter provides enough juice for charging multiple devices in either of the AC or DC ports or one of the 3 USB ports. It comes with a car charging cable and an AC adapter. Like many of the solar generators in the Jackery family, the unit can be recharged from an AC wall outlet or with a Jackery Solar Saga solar panel. The 500-watt rechargeable battery will need replacing after about 500 uses, but that's after a lot of camping trips. Features: long-lasting endurance, perfect capacity, designed for portability. Coming up next, in third place we have the Bluet Portable Solar Generator. With just as many watts as our best overall pick, the Bluet 2000-watt portable power station can be charged 5 different ways and has 17 different output ports, each of which is covered by a high-quality dust cap. You can charge it using solar panels, via a wall outlet, car plug, using a generator, or lead-acid battery. It comes with 3 charging cables, and a lead-acid battery charging cable can be purchased separately. You can hook up a number of smaller devices at the same time, like a laptop, camera charger, and several phones. Or you can use it as backup power for larger appliances. According to the manufacturer, you can power an 800-wall refrigerator with this power station for over 2 hours. A nice feature is the LED touchscreen, which can tell you how much energy you're drawing down and how much battery charge is remaining. Features: smart touchable interaction LCD display, durable and safer LiFePO4 battery, meet multiple devices. Now moving to the number 4. Maxoak Portable Solar Generator. The Maxoak Portable Solar Generator, weighing in at nearly 38 pounds, features a lithium-ion battery capacity of 1500 Wh with a 1000-watt maximum. The massive power output of this generator makes it an indispensable green and clean energy source for home use, camping, boating, and off-grid traveling. You can rely on it to charge higher power devices like microwaves, hairdryers, and blenders. Recharge this generator in around 8 hours with a wall outlet and about 5 hours with a solar panel. It measures and provides 4 USB outputs, 2 AC outlets, a car port, and carrying handle. It also includes an AC wall charger, PV solar charging cable, and user manual. Features: huge capacity power station, high-efficient solar generator, solar generator recharge. In the 5th position we have the Bluet Solar Outdoor Generator. If you enjoy tent camping, or even just like to retreat occasionally to a cabin in the woods, having a reliable portable solar generator is a must. This generator from Bluet is capable of producing 300 watt with a peak surge power of 300 watt, and the lithium battery provides a storage capacity of 266 Wh. Plenty of power is generated for operating laptops, drones, electronics, mini fridges, and coolers, as well as continuous positive airway pressure machines. Fully recharge the generator in about 7 to 8 hours via a 12-volt car charger, 7 hours via a compatible solar panel, and 6 to 7 hours via a wall outlet. Features: large capacity battery, easy recharging methods, great warranty. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best solar generators. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.